Hello guys, this is K's Digital Hub. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, this phone isn't charging. It is brought to me. It isn't charging. You can see the charging flex is very bad. Charging flex is very bad. You can see the ports. It's bad. So right now I'm about to open the phone. I'm removing the SIM. Removing the SIM card, SIM tray. So I don't have fingers, so I'm just gonna use all my tools. Yeah, so right now I'm opening the phone. As you can see, this video is all about how to change your charging flex. For those that want to know how to check charging flex, this is how you change your flex. So I've opened the phone. Use my star screw. Opening the phone right now, scrolling off the screws, taking out the screws. As an engineer, you have to be very careful so that you won't face so many trials. In order to avoid trials and temptation, you have to be very careful, bro. As an engineer, bro. Okay, so this is the charging flex. This charging flex. So I'm running a full charging flex. This is the old one, is very bad. So this is the new one. I even soldered it. I soldered it because this type I think this type P5. This is P5. So I soldered it so that it will last for the customer. So I just make sure I clean up the phone as a professional. Because where I was trained, we are trained to be professionals. So I've placed the charging flex. Right now I've already tested it, so I'm about to scroll it right now because I've placed the new charging flex. So this is how to change your charging flex, guys. It's very easy. You can still, all you have to do is to like, share, and subscribe, comment, in order to grow this channel and for other people to also see this video and for other people to learn too, because it's all about learning. I'll give you the free tips on how to repair some certain kind of things in your smartphone. It's very easy. So thanks guys. So just please subscribe to my YouTube channel for fun, follow for more. Right now the phone is back to life. The phone is back to life. Yeah, check it out. Put it back the SIM tray. So that's how I do. That's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. The phone is back to life. This phone is back to life. Thanks for watching, guys. This phone is back to life. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, thanks.